Welcome back to the Hitch House. Today we will be checking out a luxury Class A gas motorhome with not 2, not 3, but 4 power slide outs. The 2021 Baystar by Newmar. This Baystar is built with the 3626 floor plan, which means it sits on the extra strong 26,000 pound Ford chassis and is powered by a powerful 7.3 liter Triton V8 engine to get you exactly where you need to go. A full masterpiece paint job is standard on all 21 Baystars and comes with a gorgeous clear coat finish. Baystar 3626 also comes with tons of well-lit storage for you to keep all of your belongings for those long distance or long-term journeys. For those interested in solar power, all 2021 Baystars come equipped with a standard 10-watt panel to charge the chassis battery. But this Baystar is pre-prepped for solar installation with 6-gauge wiring, which makes it a lot easier to harness the sun to help power your motorhome systems. Some other awesome exterior features on this Baystar 3626 include a 5.5 kilowatt Onan generator, power patio awnings, side view cameras, and an exterior entertainment system. As you head into the Baystar, you will be wowed by the stunning, luxurious interior, boasting tons of amenities such as dual reclining theater seating, glazed maple cabinetry, and padded vinyl ceilings. The Baystar also comes equipped with a gorgeous living sleeping area combo, featuring the ultra-luxe fold-down sofa bed that becomes a sleeping area for 2 in a matter of seconds. As for entertainment, Newmar has you covered, boasting 4 LED TVs total, but the Baystar also features a 48-inch Sony TV televator, allowing it to appear and disappear at the touch of a button. You will also find a Bose soundbar for when you really want to crank those tunes. The Baystar also has an amazing kitchen, featuring solid surface countertops, tiled backsplash, a stainless steel sink, 3-burner gas cooktop, and residential appliances, including convection oven microwave combo and a Norcold 4-door refrigerator. Across from the kitchen is the dining area, featuring more gorgeous maple cabinetry, tons of storage, and an extendable dining table with leaflet for when you're entertaining those campground dinner guests. Moving on to the midship bathroom, Newmar does a great job of making you feel right at home. Plenty of storage with a beautiful sink, plus a massive shower to clean off after a long day. Moving on to the master bedroom, you are greeted by a pillow-top king-size bed, which sits across from a decorative wardrobe where you will find tons of storage, and a 32-inch Sony TV for those who like curling up to watch your favorite home movies or the morning news. At the helm of the coach, you'll find a touchscreen radio system, rear view backup monitor, and luxury captain's chairs. Other interior features included in this Baystar include stackable washer dryer combo, frameless dual pane windows, slow close cabinets, and tons more. If you enjoyed this video and are looking for some more information on the 2021 Baystar 3626 by Newmar or any of our other models, give us a call at 1-800-378-7118 to schedule your in-person walkthrough or to set up a virtual appointment. Stay safe out there, everyone, and we look forward to seeing you soon.